Want to learn how to change the password of your Facebook account through Facebook Lite app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings. Below, Most Recent. Tap on Password and Security into this Account section. You have an option of changing a password. For that, tap on Change Password. Here you can see that you need to first enter your current password and then your new password and then retype your new password once again. And then you can tap on Save Changes. I'm going to do mine, you do your own. When you're done doing all of them, tap on Save Changes below. So you can see that your password has been changed, and if you think someone else may have known your old password, it's a good idea to log out of any other phones and computers and check for recent changes to a password. So you can tap on Review Other Devices. If you want to check where you are currently logged in, you can tap on this circle on the right corner next to Review all the devices, or you can choose to stay logged in. I am going to tap on this circle next to Review all the devices and tap on Continue below. You can see that you're logged out of all sessions, so you can tap on Back below and choose to get logged in once again to your own account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.